sick of washing your dirty dishes every time you are done eating? Well, we've got a solution for you. Introducing MAXXwasher, the all-in-one food and dishwasher. Using MAXXwasher is easy. Simply press a button. It will begin washing your dishes with high-power ultrasonic. MAXXwasher produces ultrasonic with up to 400-watt power, which can easily remove any oil stain and dirt on your dirty dishes while you take a break. MAXXwasher is not only effective, it is 100% chemical-free and environmentally friendly. It will clean all your kitchenware. MAXXwasher also comes with the Max Catalyst technology. It can not only clean your food, but it can also remove harmful microorganisms, pesticides, or even dirt accumulated on the surface. We ensure that it is 100% safe for your food. It is so powerful that it can easily clean out hidden pesticides and dirt. MAXXwasher is designed to make your life easier. Get MAXXwasher now, the best cleaning and cooking partner you will ever need.
Introducing the Air Oven from JML, the incredible 4-in-1 air fryer that lets you cook, fry, bake, roast, and even dehydrate your foods using hardly any oil. So you're enjoying all the crispy, crunchy, delicious fried foods you love with less fat and calories that's better for your health and your waistline. With the large touchscreen interface, you've got easy one-touch power control and precise temperature and timer functions with an incredible 10 different preset cooking modes right at your fingertips. The Air Oven's healthier cooking secret is in the spiral rapid airflow technology, which creates a vortex of heated air that surrounds the food with even heat distribution, cooking it from all sides. And all the excess fat and grease is left on the tray for easy disposal. The Air Oven is so much more than air frying. It's 4 appliances in one, and you can cook your favorite foods with just the press of a button. It's a rotisserie roaster with an included roasting fork attachment, so you can roast a whole chicken or an entire beef roast, rotating, basting and cooking in its own juices, so meats always come out moist, tender and delicious every time. Use the baking mode to bake up homemade muffins, fresh baked cookies and tasty cakes. Use the dehydrator mode to quickly dehydrate fruits for snacks or vegetables for use in soups and stews. It even has a reheat mode to quickly heat up leftovers and add sizzle, crunch and crispness back to your foods. Use the Air Oven to bake fish with flaky, moist and tender results. Cook mouth-watering kebab skewers and pasties, gyozas or dumplings, and even a delicate baked quiche. You can cook an entire rack of crispy, crunchy bacon without the additional unhealthy fats. And with a bonus rotisserie basket, you can do even more. Roast dinner potatoes with olive oil and herbs, or healthy Brussels sprouts with roasted garlic.